My task is to get the data from this data source. The column number are huge, it is 45 column. But the same field, this field and this field are same almost, but it is not arranged. Few fields are not here. If I want to get the related data for this column, from this column and from this table range, then I have to use VLOOKUP function. But if I start my VLOOKUP function, then I will first type equal to VLOOKUP and then select the lookup value, and then I will go to the table array, and here it is table array. I need all the data from here, so I'll select all the columns, and the next field, next parameter is column index number. So first of all I want this data, so I'll type 2 and put a comma and 0 again, and I'll close the function. The first data is here, and to make it dynamic I'll use F4 to freeze this, and then I'll use to freeze entire table array. Now the problem is, if I drag this I will get the same data here because I didn't change the column index number. It is 2 for the first column, but it is 3 for the second column. So if somehow I able to change this number dynamically, then I will be able to get the data automatically with less effort. Welcome to ASPC Excel. So here is a function, it is known as column function. So I will use column and I will close the bracket to get the column number. This function actually gives the column number. So it is here 3 and the function returns 3 here. But I need here the number 2. So I need a little mathematics. If I deduct 1 from this function output, then I will get the same number. I will change this column index number, which is 2 here, with column and minus 1. That means it is 2, which is column index number. Now if I drag this to fill the entire row, it will fetch the desired data. Now double click here to get all the data from here. So what I did here is, instead of typing manually column index number 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, I just entered this function and I deducted 1 from this function output so that I get my desired column index number. Now one problem is here. If I change this table, now column number has changed. So what will happen here? The number will not change here, but if I insert any column here, then this number will change. So what you have to remember here is, you should have to calculate what is the number that should be deducted from this function. Now in this case, this column is, if I type column function here, and I will get 5, but I need 2, so what I have to deduct is 3. I will change this formula and I will replace 1 by 3, because if I deduct 3 from 5, then I will get the output of 2. Now you drag this formula to the entire column and double click here to get the desired data. You will get it. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.